Kirby, what are you designing?
Is anybody else done with their 3D object?
No, we're not. We're not.
Yes,
We're
we're
not.
done.
We're not.
Yes,
We're
we're
not.
done. Yes, we're done.
No, we're not.
Looks good.
It looks good, Purush.
Device that lets it unravel smoothly. And then in order to actually get it onto the printer, we have another set of software designed to work with this printer specifically. So what it does is it lets you add in multiple files and then
I think the writing is very, so the design is very cool, it's very creative. I think you need to improve it and think more about how the printer will print it, because I think there are too many details that the printer can print, or it didn't really print.
I like the font that he used, and I like the fact that it's going down diagonal.
Very personal to the person. One thing.
How'd you clean this?